Today I will show you how to get the craziest flickers in After Effects. If you've seen flickers like this in edits, they're usually a pain to build from scratch. I mean, it's literally hours of tweaking settings and keyframing, but however, I spent a couple of months creating the most ultimate flicker effects, which I have included in my Flicker presets pack. Now all you need to do is just drag and drop any of the 30 flicker effects and you'll have insane flickers in literally seconds. I'll have the presets linked in the description, and now let's jump into After Effects and I'll show you how to use them. Alright guys, so in After Effects I have all of my clips ready, and to actually make these flicker effects, it's incredibly easy. All you need to do is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and now go to Effects and Presets, Animation Presets, User Presets, and then go to Flicker Presets. And now you can just drag and drop any of the effects. So for example, Flicker Heavy 4v2, which is one of my favorite effects from the pack, and you will instantly have this like a super dark flicker, which is really popular in music videos and edits. Now one of my favorite parts about this pack is combining effects together. So you can just, for example, take Ultimate Flicker, drag and drop it below this flicker, and you'll instantly have the super cool combination. I mean, the Ultimate Flicker by itself is an amazing flicker effect. Alright, and now let's go to the next clip, and here we can add Flicker Destroyed, and you'll have the super cool destroyed low resolution flicker effect that just looks super dope. But another thing you can do is, again, combine. So let's press Ctrl+Y, and on top of the destroyed we can add 2 Hall flicker, which is actually like a 2 Hallis style flicker. I absolutely love 2 Hallis flickers. This is the look you will get. It's gonna be absolutely ridiculously cool. By the way, this is how the 2 Hallis flicker looks by itself. It's a literal recreation of the flickers from 2 Hallis music videos. Alright guys, now on this clip I want to show you an effect that is absolutely crazy. I mean, I'll just show you right now. Just look at it. It's called the Flicker Nightmare, and it's kind of like a nightmare. I mean, so many things are happening at once. It looks like a literal nightmare. It just looks so dope. And now on another clip, let's also add one of the newest flicker effects, which is just flicker. And this is how it looks with the flicker. Very clean. Just a really nice flicker effect. And on the last clip, we can make a new adjustment layer, and I'm gonna drag and drop another really new effect, which is called Intense. I named it Intense because it intensively changes like everything. Like as you can see, like it changes the colors. Everything just looks super intense here. And here's the full result of the work we just did. I only added a couple of effects, by the way, guys. This pack has over 30 drag and drop presets, so this is barely anything I just added here, and it already looks absolutely crazy. So as you saw, these are literally the craziest flickers you could possibly get in After Effects. And just because you're watching this video here, you're going to be getting an exclusive discount code for the Flicker presets pack, which is going to be Flicker7. You can use this code to save $7 off on the Flicker presets pack. So if you're serious about editing and want professional level flickers, check out the link below to get the Flicker presets pack.